before you can start anything, you're gonna want to get all your materials together. First thing you're gonna need is a pair of crew socks. You wanna make sure they're on the longer side so that they'll actually have legs. A pair of scissors, needle, and some thread. You're gonna need some pins, stuffing or polyester fill, some buttons for the eyes, something to mark up the sock that you're using. The pattern is this is what you wanna follow when you're making the sock monkey. So once you finish sewing, you're gonna want to turn all of this stuff inside out. You wanna stuff it with some stuffing, and I'm just probably gonna do a time lapse of it while I'm watching something. This is the finished product. 2 eyes, little mouth, little ears, arms, legs, tail.